to day 1 of Vlogmas. It is a very gloomy day. It's predicted to rain for most of today. I'm hoping since it's like below 50 it might turn into snow. I just finished editing yesterday's vlog. Next thing on the to-do list is to post about the charity. If you guys don't know, for all of December I'll be having a charity or fundraiser over on my Twitch channel, link down below. It will all go to World Central Kitchen, who feeds people who are in crisis, so that people who are in crisis don't have to worry about where their next meal is going to be coming from, and they can focus more on their home situation than the situation involving food. I think yesterday's vlog is pretty good. I like it. Is that better? Yes. Maybe so. Maybe you can hear me better over Markiplier here. Marky Moo is playing Outlast. So I have the advent calendars. We're gonna start with Holly's, which I made on stream the other day. I've already forgotten which ones have what. I'll give it to her on camera. She doesn't seem to want to come downstairs, but she got a cinnamon roll. Next advent calendar is my chocolate one, my Kinder one that got beaten up. It's ripped and bulging. That is a terrible word to describe it as, but it is true. It's a Santa. The Kinder Santa. Is Kinder Santa hollow? I must see. Kinder Santa just turns into a bowling pin that says Kinder. Yes. The answer is yes. There's nothing in the burn. But to be fair, inside of Santa is a bowling pin. It does have like a white chocolate, and then it's milk chocolate. Pretty good overall. The last advent calendar I get to open is Build-A-Bear's Glisten the Merry Mission. Glisten and the Merry Mission. I thought it was Glisten, 2 dots, the Merry Mission. But it's Glisten and the Merry Mission. I haven't watched the movie. I'm gonna assume there's a character named Glisten. I know the main character is Marzipan, which is a little girl. I need scissors. So the main character is Marzipan, which is a little girl with red hair, and she has a dog named Lula, which is like a blue husky. And then there's like, oh wait, there's Marzipan. Build-A-Bear doesn't do humans, so I wonder, there's apparently 6 plushies in this. I wonder what we might get. Okay, so there's Marzipan and her dog Lula, and as I was saying, I really hope one of the plushies is the gingerbread bunny. This is what it looks like inside, and we're starting off with a plushie. Oh, our first plushie is Lula. Look at Lula. Tiny tail. Little Lula. Quite literally, very little. Very cute. This is little Lula. Marzipan's little blue husky. And my buddy for today. You can take that. That's yours. Go ahead. You guys hear that? I'm a freaking genius. I got the Wii working. the sensor bar wasn't attached. and then I was pinned behind the guinea pig's cage. I figured it out. Luna. Who wants to bet how much weight I either gained, lost, or what the heck is gonna call my age? What is my body's age? My not mental age. It doesn't challenge mentalness. You guys have a hard time seeing it. I'll say it on the screen, what it is. I'll also say it out loud because editing me won't remember. Oh my god, which one? It's me and my mom. Oh my god. Wait, go back to the... I need to change my me. Bum ba dum bum 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 bum. Ba da dum bum 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 bum. Hey! I got the Wii Fit age of 22, and now I'm gonna play some games. So, in case I didn't explain why I'm doing Wii Fit, it's because my grandma used to do it every single day, and she was like a stick. Also, she recently passed away, so to honor her memory, I wanted to get back into Wii Fit. So, I'm gonna do that, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Plus, I need to charge the camera anyway, so... Hello, everyone. I charged my camera just a little bit. Now we're in the loft. If you guys remember, in the last vlog, I was in the garage, and there was a ladder in the background. This is up the ladder. So I'm just trying to do some cleaning up here. I would do a montage, but lighting sucks. Like, if I'm mainly working over here. That's a window back there. I'm just completely backlit the whole entire time. So I'm just going to do some cleaning. We're trying not to fall down this hole. And yeah, not much decorating today, not much actual Christmas. Just a lot of stuff I've been wanting to do and just haven't been around to do it. Or I've been doing other stuff because I have my routine and I follow my routine, and well, it's time to switch it up. Hello everyone, welcome in. Today we are checking out the MCC Island festive event, which is like an advent calendar, and also you can like do tasks to get like winter tokens. Kind of, I don't quite know. I just know like I saw the map and I saw like the event, but it didn't start yet, so like I haven't done anything. Now it started, so we're gonna check it out. Okay guys, I just finished stream and I was going to do more, but I have like zero energy, so I'm just probably gonna lay down and scroll through TikTok. So I hope you guys have a good morning, good night, good day, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye everyone, bye bye.